Right, 7:42. Let's check in with Abby.
Yeah, we saw record rain yesterday, Bill. No surprise, more than 3 inches in Olympia and nearly there for SeaTac and Hoquiam. At the National Weather Service office in Seattle in the Sandpoint area, more than 1.5 inches of rain. All of these spots totally beating the previous records for how much rain we've seen on the 28th of February. So March coming in like a lion, right? We're seeing light to moderate rain out there this morning. Fantastic news, though, is that we're not going to be seeing the same kind of widespread, long-lasting rain as what we saw yesterday. So fewer showers today, but still some spots are struggling with pooling, standing water on the roads. Adam has been tracking that. We're seeing rain right now at both Stevens and Snoqualmie passes. South end of Seattle as we take you into Rainier Valley, all the way through Renton up to Mercer Island, south end of Bellevue and Newcastle. You're also seeing some showers today. Remember, the landslide and avalanche threat is also higher than normal today, and these debris flows just coming out of very saturated soil from the downpours we saw yesterday. Now, this air mass is on the mild side. This is subtropical moisture we're talking about here. So temps in the mid-50s. It's all due to this atmospheric river. It's weakening today, and it's pointing farther south. So that's going to give us a bit of a break, but as many of you are well aware, there's kind of this delayed effect with the rivers. So a lot of our local rivers are flooding today, not receding until tomorrow night. Futurecasts calling for a lot of the showers today happening over the foothills and the Cascades. Many of us drying things out in the lower elevations. Stray showers today. Some downpours later on this afternoon that could be capable of giving us some small hail and even a couple of lightning strikes, if you can believe it. Later on tonight, just some garden variety light showers. Rivers recede for most spots by tomorrow night or Thursday morning. Spotty showers on Thursday. Maybe we'll throw in an isolated shower on Friday. That's about as exciting as it gets. And it's nice seeing this dry weather for a 3-day stretch. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, that will help to really stabilize our ground and lower the risk for avalanches and landslides, too. All right, we're going to be talking much more about those hourly temps coming up next. But first, let's send things over to Adam. How are things looking out there?